Welcome to my new favorite place, the secret garden, where water fountains are turned into succulent fountains. Bathtubs into giant planters, and cascading opuntias made to look like hair. As I walked through this garden, I found this interesting project. This beautiful, life-sized lady succulent planter with long, beautifully stressed opuntia hair. Her long dress is adorned with different varieties of these chunky plants. Looking at this creative way of displaying these succulents, I appreciated these plants more. Do you know why? Because showcasing succulent plants this way reminds us of how unique succulents are. They can thrive in places where most plants wouldn't survive even for a day. A soil-less planter with less access to water and nutrients is not the ideal way of planting most of our common plants. But not with succulents. In times of drought, succulents show us their incredible power of conservation and survival. If you look closely at the succulents in this planter, you'll notice how beautifully compact they have grown. When succulents detect that there's not enough water available, they begin conserving their energy. They go into power-saving mode, using their resources wisely to survive. As they attempt to conserve more water, their leaves get close together and they look compact. But here's the cool part. They also get super colorful. It's like they're showing off their strength with vibrant shades. So even when things are tough, succulents keep showing us how they shine bright and stay strong. I really wish we could be like succulents. That we could get tougher, stronger, and prettier when things get hard. If we were more like them, we could see tough times as chances to grow and change for the better, instead of feeling weak when things get tough. By the way, if you love to listen to positivity and relaxation, please check out my new channel, The Sanctuary. I will leave the link in the description below. If you love succulents, you'll surely fall in love with this place as much as I do. Aside from their beautiful display of succulents, the sound of the cascading water in their pond is very relaxing too. Here, you'll find inspiration for your succulent gardening, including window planter box ideas, pot-in-a-pot projects, and what plants will go well with head planter pots. If you are into fairy gardens, they also have these small succulents that are the best for those projects. They are miniature in size, already rooted, and colorful. Terracotta planters are the best for succulents, and here I found a large selection of terracotta and ceramic pots, not to mention these beautiful talavera pots, which will surely add color and interest to your garden. The Secret Garden Nursery focuses primarily on succulents, cacti, and other low water requiring plants. These plants are ideal for those who love to garden but do not have plenty of time to spare. Aside from that, they have different sun exposure zones to help you choose which succulents can handle the full sun and which one needs to stay in the shade. Although many of these succulents, which love the shade, can also be in the full sun, but of course you need to gradually acclimatize them so that their leaves won't get damaged. Generally, succulents are tough. Their leaves may get damaged when temperature drops below zero, but once they survive, they will grow new, beautiful sprouts, and soon all the traces of the damage will all be forgotten. I hope you enjoyed our content today, and if you happen to live in Elk Grove or Sacramento area, you should visit this amazing place. And if you like succulents, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I wish you all the best and take care.